Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time, please come back again, guys, to Cooking with Pouncy. This evening I'm going to be doing a stuffed baked potato. I'm going to be stuffing it with, obviously potato, but broccoli. I'm going to have some andouille sausage in it as well. The meaty part of it, you can or not, if you want, not even use that part of it, or put whatever you want in your stuffed baked potato. Anyway, I'm going to drop the camera down for you, and we're going to put this together, and I'll let you see why and how I do that process. Here's my potato skins, guys, if you will. I've already hollowed them out, if you can see here. They look like a little boat, a canoe, if you will. And all of those ingredients that came out of there is in this bowl, which you'll see me putting together as well. You guys know about all the stuffed baked potato stuff, but we're going to cook with Pouncy tonight on this one, okay? To this, I'm also going to add some coarse ground black pepper. I've got some chives here. These are dried. I don't have any fresh chives. And I've got some heavy cream that's also going to go in this mixture as well. Got about 2.5 tablespoons of butter, which will also go in there. I've got some sour cream, and you'll get the ingredients and ingredient list in terms of the total amounts. I'm kind of ad-libbing with it, guys. You got to go by the texture, okay? But I'll tell you exactly what it was, and you understand what that's all about. I got a little salt here too, guys, but watch your sodium again. That cheese is pretty salty as well, and so we're not going to use too much salt and all this stuff. We just get it together. It's real simple, right? I've already sauteed my broccoli and my sausages, as you can see here, and all of this is going to go into this bowl just momentarily, all right? And you'll be seeing that. And I'm going to stop talking, put this down, and start mixing this for you, okay? And we're going to fill these bowls, but we're going to first get our mixture together. And put a little pepper in there, a little black pepper. This is all to taste as well, guys, all right? Here's my freeze-dried chives. Let's put some of these guys in there. A little flavor and color, I guess, okay? I'm shaking it in there. We'll call that about 3 teaspoons, all right? And let's put our butter in there, 2.5 tablespoons of butter in there. One of the things I forgot to mention too, guys, in that broccoli that I had with that andouille sausage, I did steam that broccoli prior to, just al dente. So it's not done, it's al dente, and along with that, okay? So I'm going to continue on here. There's no specific order you got to put this together in either. I've not put any salt in it yet. Let's go ahead and add some heavy cream in here. I think I shook it, but let me make sure I did, okay? That's good enough. There's going to be some good stuff, guys, I'm telling you. All right, here we go. Not measuring it again here. All right, we're going to call that 2.5 tablespoons as well. I'm going to put a little bit more in there, too, because I can tell I need it, all right? Okay. All right, guys, so it's looking good. It is. I'm going to put a little more cream in it. Let's call it 3 tablespoons at that point, okay, guys? A little bit more for the consistency. All right. And we're going to put those chives in there. It's going to sprinkle some in there. I've already done that, but I'm looking at it here thinking I might need some more, a little bit more chives for color and flavor. Okay, it'll be an ingredient list for you guys. And again, that's about 3 teaspoons maybe. All right. I think I said 4 teaspoons actually. So 4, let's call it 4 teaspoons. It'll be an ingredient list again, guys. No salt yet. Let me taste this. I need some salt. Wish I could say we could live without salt, and we can. This is going to go into a 375 oven as well, guys. Well, I'm going to time it for like 15-20 minutes. And I think that should be sufficient to get it nice and hot, okay? All right, now my sausage has got, as I indicated, it's got salt in it. So I'm going to stop with the salt and start folding this in here now too. And I've got 1/2 of a package of sausage that had two halves, and I use 1 full one in there. And again, you don't have to put sausage in yours. You can just put the broccoli in there or whatever the other kind of vegetable you'd like yourself in your own mixture. So, all right. This might be a little challenging here for cooking with Pouncy, but I'm trying to press it down in there. Could have had a larger bowl maybe. I had to set it before you guys did. Okay. I'm going to loosen it up a little bit more, guys, by putting a little more cream in it. Just make sure I get this folded in before I start splashing it all over the counter here. It's looking good though, guys. All right, we're going to go in there with some more sour cream, some more heavy cream. And call that another tablespoon. And again, I might continue to put more in there in a little bit, just because of the consistency that I'm trying to accomplish here. I will not be adding any more salt, because as you know, that sausage has got salt in it too. But that's looking good, guys. Okay. Ad-libbing, we're going to put a little pepper in it again. A little bit. I'm thinking I need a little bit more moisture in it. I'm thinking I need a little more moisture in it, guys. Guess where I'm going again with the cream. Okay. Its consistency is a little better, because I don't think it's going to loosen up as I put it in the oven for another 15-20 minutes. I think I'll have the consistency that it has in the bowl right now. That flavor is pretty good though, guys. We almost forgot, for God's sakes, the sour cream, okay, that I told you about. And again, it's going to be by sight. Then you put a nice squirt of sour cream in there. And let's call that 3 tablespoons. 4 now. And let's call that about 3 tablespoons. All right, because I think that's about what it is. Okay. Almost forgot that sour cream, guys. When I tasted it, I thought, well, was something missing? Yes, the sour cream was missing, so there you have it. You guys know cooking with Pouncy ad-libs all the time. That's what I'm doing here. So, there you have it. There you have it. Okay, guys. And again, we're going to stuff those shells, skins or whatever. So we're going to put our cheese on top. And again, you can use the cheese of your choice. And this is a mild cheddar. I'm going to try to get most of it on the potato rather than on the pan. I'm going to pat it down a little bit here so it'll stick to the filling. It's looking pretty good, guys. And again, I'm going to give it 15 minutes. Take a look at it and see what it looks like. You don't know you can do all of this stuff with a baked potato, for God's sake. And that's what we're doing, dressing the baked potato up. It's looking pretty good, guys, I tell you. I line that pan, of course, with aluminum foil, as you guys see here. Easy cleanup when I'm done. Even the cheese that's on here and melted, that whole thing goes in the recycle bin. And we're done with the pan. The pan is still clean. You learned that over the years, guys, I guess, huh? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put this in the oven at 375. And 15 minutes later, we should be ready to eat this. Okay, so I'll be back shortly, guys, with this cheese all melted. Hope maybe a little brownness on the top, maybe. That's never hurt anything either. Let's just put it in there at the 375. And I got my timer set. It's set for 15 minutes, and we'll see what happens in 15 minutes, guys. Okay, guys, here we go. Here we go, guys. They are looking really, really good, too. I'm going to do a plate presentation for you here in just a moment, and then I'll be right back to show you that presentation. I think it looks pretty good. As you can see, I added a few strawberries on there. You can add or not add if you want when you make your own, and certainly hope that you do, guys, if you decide to make this for yourself and your family. Again, thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. It's been a pleasure doing this meal again for you guys, and I'd invite you over, but I don't have enough room for all you guys, okay? Again, thank you so much, and pass this on as you see fit, guys. And again, good night.